Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, how are you today? I hope you're always good and healthy. Today, I'm Kentika want to show you how to make a mini book. You can write down your information about yourself in your mini book. The materials that you need are paper, stapler, pencil, and marker. The first thing you have to do is fold the paper become two. Then use stapler to make it one. Next, write down your names on the cover book. For example, Kentika's book. Then open the next page. You can start to write down about yourself. My name is Kentika. I'm 10 years old. I like singing and cooking. You can also draw something to support your information. Then, for the next page, you can write down the information, for example, about your school. My school is in Budi Mulia 2 Pandeansari Elementary School. My teacher is Miss Tia. My favorite lesson is science. Then you can use your marker to color your picture to make it your mini books more beautiful. And finally, ta-da! Your mini book is ready. So that's all for me. Are you interested in making your own book? Thank you so much for your attention. I hope this video will be useful for you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.